I wonder if you knew that 95% of diets fail. Did you also know that most people regain lost weight within a year? This cycle, known as yo-yo dieting, impacts our well-being. It's time to embrace a sustainable approach to weight loss. Let's break free from the yo-yo trap together. Join us on this video to learn all the things we can start to do together to create lasting change and improve the quality of our life and optimal health. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss a thing. If you like learning about topics like this and others, then don't forget to like us, subscribe to our channel, and smash that notification bell so you can be alerted the next time we drop a video on other great topics for your optimal health. Let's go. Imagine a life free from restrictive diets, where healthy habits come naturally. This is the promise of sustainable weight loss, a journey that focuses on gradual, lasting changes. Instead of seeking a quick fix, we'll cultivate healthy habits that seamlessly integrate into our lives. Let's shift our focus from restrictions to empowerment. This means rediscovering the joy of movement, nourishing our bodies with whole foods, and cultivating a positive relationship with food and our bodies. Sustainable weight loss is not about deprivation. It's about making choices that support our overall well-being. It's about feeling our best, both physically and mentally. By adopting a holistic approach, we'll create a more sustainable lifestyle that supports and empowers our weight loss goals and enhances our overall health and happiness. One of the most powerful yet often overlooked aspects of lasting change is the power of tiny habits. Instead of overwhelming ourselves with drastic changes, we'll focus on making small, incremental adjustments to our daily routines. These tiny habits, though seemingly insignificant on their own, have a compounding effect over time. For example, instead of aiming to hit the gym for an hour every day, start with a commitment to a 10-minute walk. As these small habits become ingrained in our daily lives, they pave the way for more significant changes. Success breeds success, and as we experience the positive effects of these small wins, we're more likely to stick with them and build upon them. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. By focusing on small, achievable changes, we set ourselves up for success and build a foundation for lasting transformation. Our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our habits. Just as a tidy workspace promotes productivity, a well-structured environment can support our weight loss goals. By making subtle tweaks to our surroundings, we can nudge ourselves towards healthier choices. Start by decluttering and reorganizing your kitchen and pantry, removing tempting, unhealthy snacks. Replace them with readily available, nutritious options like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Make healthy choices convenient. Prepare meals in advance or portion out some snacks so you're ready to eat and can avoid impulsive decisions when hunger strikes. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your healthy habits. Remember, it's important to create an environment that supports your goals, which is key to making lasting change. By making healthy choices easy and accessible, you'll be well on your way to achieving sustainable weight loss. Next, we have the science of sustainable habits, how to make change stick. Understanding the science behind habit formation can be empowering. By leveraging these insights, we can make our habits stick. One powerful framework is the habit loop: cue, craving, response, and reward. The cue triggers the habit, the craving is the motivation, the response is the action, and the reward strengthens the habit. To break unhealthy habits, identify the cues and replace them with healthier alternatives. Make healthy habits more rewarding, which increases the motivation to stick with them, which in turn make lasting changes for sustainable success. Next tip is food, movement, and mindset, a holistic approach. Sustainable weight loss is not just about what we eat and how much we exercise. It's about cultivating a healthy relationship with our bodies and minds. It's about approaching weight loss holistically, addressing the physical, mental, and emotional aspects. Nourish your body with whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and support overall health. Engage in joyful movement that you genuinely enjoy, making it a sustainable part of your routine. Cultivate a positive mindset, practicing self-compassion and celebrating your progress. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Instead of getting discouraged, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. By addressing your relationship with food, movement, and your body, you'll create a holistic approach to weight loss that supports your overall well-being. Here we have celebrating successes, navigating setbacks, and staying on track. The journey to sustainable weight loss is not always linear. There will be ups and downs along the way. It's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as they reinforce your commitment and motivate you to keep going. Track your progress, whether it's through journaling, using a fitness tracker, or simply acknowledging your achievements. Recognize your efforts and acknowledge the positive changes you're making. Equally important is learning to navigate setbacks. Remember, everyone slips up from time to time. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Analyze what might have triggered the setback and identify strategies to prevent it in the future. Approach challenges with self-compassion and a growth mindset, knowing that each setback is a chance to learn and improve. Finally, we move from knowledge to action, embracing lasting transformation. You've gained valuable knowledge about sustainable weight loss, understanding the drawbacks of quick fixes and the power of small, sustainable changes. You've explored the science behind habit formation and the importance of a holistic approach. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start by identifying 1 or 2 small, achievable habits you can implement in your daily life. Focus on consistency and gradual progress, celebrating your successes along the way. Remember, sustainable weight loss is not a destination. It's a journey of continuous improvement. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and never underestimate the power of small changes compounded over time. You have the power to transform your health and well-being. Start today and embrace the journey to lasting change. If you feel you might want some professional, personalized guidance for your health journey, check out the link in the description for private virtual health and wellness coaching and other resources, because we are all in this optimal health journey together. Please go to the comment section and share with the community what resonated with you, what tips have helped you, or other topics you would like to see discussed in future videos. Don't forget to like this, subscribe to our channel, and check out other videos on the topic of sustainable weight loss, or anything else you find helpful in our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.